Bande Purushottamam.
Bande Purushottamam.
Joy Guru.
Joy Guru.
Baba, today after Vijaya, we are meeting together in Facebook Live in Booming Bliss group to discuss about few realization or few points which are really pondering us day and night. Many of my friends, many Guru Bhais have put question in WhatsApp, in group, in Messenger to ask you few candid questions. Very rational way, they are all waiting for the answers. That's why I am putting this program completely in English, so that because many Guru Bhais who really does not understand Bengali, they understand probably English. So I want to put this question in English to you, and please you also give the answer in English, so that it will be remaining and it will be universal, everybody can understand. So that's the reason I am asking this question in English. We will be expecting today to get the answer from you. Who is God? What is God? G-O-D. What is God? Can you see God? Can God do some good or bad to humanity? Or as a person, if I am going to a temple and asking from God, give me blessings, or give me a job, give me marks in the examination, or give me lot of properties, so can God really do that? Can God really give that? So what is God? So how we can really see God? So all these aspects are there. So if you can really narrate your experience about God. Today's subject is the God. Yeah.
Respected brothers and sisters, I am a very humble son, a humble devotee of Sri Sri Thakur. I pray to him again and again, Thakur, please give me some strength, power, so that I can explain about God to the people who are hearing my version. Without his grace, I think I can say nothing. My realization about God, my son asked me whether the God exists or not. And when we pray to God in danger and difficulties and ask to solve our problems and pray something from Him, does He solve it? Does He are blessed enough to fulfill us? Who is God? What is my experience? What is my realization about God? This is the question. This is a very, very difficult question. In my life, I have never faced such a difficult question. I don't know how far I shall be able to explain. Let God bless me. Let me say what I have realized, what I have seen, what I feel, what I say, what I observe. Please excuse me if I am wrong. I am asking these things also to all of you. Once I have the opportunity to stay with Thakur for 20 years, from 1949 to 1969. I have seen him, I talked with him, I touched him. But To my surprise, I can say to you, I could realize nothing. He is so great, he is so wise, he is so infinite, he is so simple, but he is wise, the great. That is really beyond my imagination. The more I see to him, the more I become astonished. Such a personality I have seen in my life. Now I come to the answer of the question. Who is God? Whether he exists or not. As I think, as I have heard from him, there was prayer in one time in Devghar, full prayer. In prayer, when I was there, sometimes we had to stand, sometimes we had to kneel down, sometimes we had to bow down. In this way we do prayer.
Thakur was in front of you at that time?
Thakur was at that time was front of me. He was sitting in a small bedstead.
Maybe late 1940s or 1950s.
48, 49, 50, up to this. Then there is some difficulty. The system has come, sit down and pray. By sitting, the prayer will be done after 1949, 50 or something like this.
Earlier
but I have seen to pray before Sri Thakur by standing, kneeling down, etc., etc. Next, it has changed. By sitting only, the prayer was done. And the full prayer was held before Sri Thakur. There is no singing, Joy Radha, Krishna Krishna, no singing. Near about 25 to 30 minutes, it would continue. In that prayer, Thakurji had given some verbatim words. I am just telling that words before you by my son. Let my son read it to you in Bengali. I shall try to explain it to you so far as I can understand. But one chapter, a few lines are so important that it touched my heart. Let us hear that.
So, I am reading a few lines which is the part of the prayer, and it was written by Sri Sri Thakur Anupul Chandra himself.
Yes.
Right. And this part really connect the supreme cause. Correct? We and supreme cause. These few lines are the connection or the bridge. So I am trying to read.
And so vast, so explaining, so beautiful, so penetrating. If anybody can understand this thing, he will understand everything.
Correct. But very difficult, all the words.
I don't know whether it was translated or not, but it is written in Bengali.
Correct. It is written in the Bengali.
You please hear that.
So you can summarize afterwards. I am reading. He Param Karunik, he Shodbo, he Shodmanushuto, Byapto Prak Prothom Bak, Shorbo Shorgo, Shorbo Ridoy, Pranon Porimol, Adityo Ishor, Jeeb Jagot Rupe Pratibhato, Rokto Mangsho Shankul Udbhashito, Tumi Tomar Tajjato Santan, Ei Amio Tomar Tumiri Utkep. এই ভারাক্রান্ত হৃদয়ের যা কিছু মলিনতা উৎসারিত অমৃত আশিসে জরা মরণ দুঃখ দুরিত বিপত্তি যা কিছু অপসারিত করিয়া তোমাতে উদ্ভাসিত করিয়া তোলো। এই আমি আমার আব্রহ্মস্তম্ভ পর্যন্ত তোমাকে স্মরণ করিয়া অমৃত আচমনে পবিত্র হইলাম। আমি পবিত্র, আমি পবিত্র, আমি পবিত্র।
These are the few lines written in Bengali. But the force of all these words, point by point, if you analyze, if you go through these lines again and again, you will yourself feel a strength within yourself. I can say it boldly. All things are narrated in these few lines. Now, let me say what I have heard from Sri Thakur. Once Thakur said, Thakur has given so many messages in a book known Glory of Science, Vigyan Vibhuti. There are 4 or 5 messages written in English from where the creation is created and who is the creator and how it has been created. These are vividly described in Vigyan Vibhuti book in 3 or 4 messages. Now,
those messages are in Bengali or English?
That is specially in Bengali. Then one message is in English, that is in the message first part 1. First message, the booming commotion of existence that rolls in the bosom of the beyonds, picked up by Krishna Prashanna Bhattacharya as Thakur has said, as Thakur has revealed himself to him. That is only one message. In one message of Sri Thakur, in message first part, first messages. And other messages are in Bengali, written in Glory of Science, Vigyan Vibhuti. 4 or 5 messages like this. Even Darwin evolution theory, more above, more from top, he has described about the creation of the universe, cosmogony, in those messages in Vigyan Vibhuti, Glory of Science. Now, Thakurji once told, prime cause. From prime cause, the primordial body, in Bengali it is called Pagbostu, has evolved. What is this? What is this? I could not understand. Thakurji said, Hey Paramokarnik, hey Supreme Cause, oh the Supreme Cause. That Supreme Cause is embodied, is impregnated in everywhere and in everything. That is Thakur called stimulus. In the version of Sri Thakur, the prime cause is nothing which is pervading in everything, that prime cause. Thakurji said that cause is nothing but stimulus, the word stimulus. The word stimulus means to be sharpened. In Bengali it is said tejon tatparya. Everything is stimulus.
Thakur told that prime cause is stimulus or God is also stimulus?
God is also stimulus.
Thakurji told that.
Thakurji told that. Stimulus is God.
This is the version of Thakur. God is stimulus. And in Bengali stimulus is tejon tatparya.
Tejon. Sharpen.
Sharp.
To be sharpened.
Yeah.
And this stimulus
is energy, form of energy.
I am telling you.
Yeah.
Stimulus is nothing but infinite power of energy. A kind of energy. Power of energy. Yeah. And it is obvakta. This stimulus is obvakta. Unexpressed.
Unexplained.
Unexpressed, unexplained, obvakta, vector no, not fresh in blood,
not in physical form.
Not in physical form. Avyakta. Ishwar is Avyakta.
God is unexpressed.
Unexpressed.
God is not in physical form.
Not physical form. But sometimes Thakurji also said, if that unexpressed stimulus take form manifested as flesh and blood, the supreme power of energy, the prime cause, when manifested as flesh and blood, that is called Perito, prophet.
What is prime cause? You are telling prime cause. We know it is the Big Bang. Nearly 1400 crores years ago, all the universe were packed into a big egg and it exploded. That's the Big Bang. Okay, that's the creation of the universe. That's the first second. Time has started from that. So, what is prime cause you are telling?
Science has said here, as you said, suddenly it has burst. This is not the thing. No cause. It cannot be explained. Why it has bursted? Big Bang theory? Thakurji's explanation is not this. Thakurji says, ছিল না সত্তা যখন ছিল, existence was pervading all along. There is no question of bursting. I don't know whether it was bursted or not, but existence was there. ছিল না সত্তা. There was nothing, but there was existence, as Thakur said. That existence is stimulus. That existence is power of energy. That existence is avyakta, is unexplained, is unexpressed. And when this stimulus or this power, infinite power, has taken a form, become manifested as flesh and blood, how it has become flesh and blood, it is beyond my knowledge, I don't know. Then the Big Bang theory, etc., may come. But Thakurji says, this energy was in everything, was in everywhere. God is omnipotent and He is in everywhere. God is good, God is omnipotent, God is almighty, etc., etc. We, in our khata, in my school khata, we write God is almighty, God is good, God is omnipotent. We write these things. That means that energy is pervading everywhere. That energy from energy who is really unexplained to me. I don't know what kind of energy, what is this prime cause. It is beyond my knowledge. The man who knows it, he can only tell it. Is it possible for a man to know that energy, to achieve that supreme cause? I shall not be able to answer this question, but I can tell only what my Thakur says. And I think it is he explained it as a scientifically, with cause and effect. What is that energy and how it has become in flesh and blood everywhere and in everything. In a book known as Punnaputhi, in the trance period of Sri Thakur, at the age of 19 to 24 like this, Thakur has said, when he was doing kirtan, singing, dancing, etc., etc., he would fell down in the ground and there is no sense in him, like a dead man. no pulse even. In the train's period, Sisi Thakur said, I am the sun, I am the moon, I am the air, I am the water, I am everything. This is beyond my explanation. I can tell you.
Yeah.
But he has said like this. Next. Sometimes Thakur says that energy, that power, Thakurji also said another thing in stimulus. By stimulus, Thakur says, I was sitting before Sisi Thakur. There is a flower, there is a tree, there is a garden, there is a tree, and there are many birds, fuller kori. But the bird blooms, the flower blooms. That stimulus is there by which the flower has bloomed. Everything is stimulus. God himself is stimulus, Thakur. Everything, in everywhere, that stimulus is pervading. When that stimulus or infinite energy, infinite power come forth or manifested in a body with flesh and blood, we call him a prophet, we call him God, we call him Allah, we call him Muttari, etc., etc. The God himself is Avyakta, unexpressed. When God is expressed, then he is Vyakta, that means manifested. This is written in the book of Sisi Thakur in Adarsha Vinayak. Avyakta, Vyakta holen. The power has concentrated and come down. I have come down from above. I have come from above. You have come from below. This is the words of Jesus Christ in the Bible.
Understand, Baba. Here the question is, you are telling the stimulus is everywhere in the universe, Baba. That stimulus sometimes concentrated in physical body, and that person all in the earth, we call that person as God. You told that. So then why Sri Anukul Chandra Chakraborty, who was born in 1888 in Pabna, he is God, not Ram, Sham, Jodu, Madhu. They are also, they have also come physically, they are also having that stimulus, but why he is God and they are not God? Or you are not God, I am not God.
This question will not be solved by me. Only I can tell you, he is the Param Karunik, he is the supreme cause. This much I can tell you. Cause has come to stimulus. Sometimes Thakur has one day said to me, said to us, you know there is ether.
No, you are telling one explanation, I am coming from above, you are coming from below. I select father and mother, I have heard from you. So that makes the difference. That's why we are not God completely. Maybe partially we are God, because that stimulus is expressed somehow within us also.
God, that stimulus, from stimulus everything was happened. It is called a kind of Leela, his creation. Leela means Alingan and Grahan, positive and negative, attraction and repulsion and Biraman, neutrality. It is called Alingan. He has created himself. Tumi Tumar Toddato Santan, Abu has heard in the prayer.
Just now we have read.
Just now, from stimulus, he himself has created himself. Why? For the being and becoming of this creation. When Arjuna, in Mahabharata we know Arjuna was disheartened. He was not to fight against his brethren and against his relations. Sri Krishna was at a loss what to do or not to do. Surely he was not at a loss, but what he should do, what he had done at the time. He has seen Vishwarup. He made Arjuna to see Vishwarup within himself. And Arjuna saw that and he bowed down to Sri Krishna and said, Sadhimantang prapannam shishasteham. I shall follow you. You please guide me. You please commend me. Then Arjuna surrendered to Sri Krishna. Therefore, the supreme energy, I don't know what is the supreme energy, but that is integrated, that is in every man, that supreme cause, supreme energy, and that power of energy is there. Onusruto hoye ache. Ebong that power when is concentrated, I don't know whether it is concentrated or not. Anyhow, Thakurji has said, I have come from above. Why he has come from above? Who is he? Who is that energy? He has no shape. Object has no shape. He has made himself shape. তিনি নিজের সৃষ্টি করেছেন, তিনি নিজে সৃষ্ট হয়েছেন, তিনি নিজেই এসেছেন to rescue this world, to save this world, to লীলা খেলার জন্য, to for his লীলা খেলা, আনন্দের জন্য, আনন্দং ব্রহ্ম, আনন্দের জন্য। মানুষ আসবে, man will come, man will enjoy, man will go. লীলা খেলা, আসা যাওয়া, আসা, come and go, come and go. Anyhow, that energy,
so
as I've said to you,
crores of people, few people are there, we regard them as God.
We regard, সুতরাং, so our duty to know the supreme cause or prime cause. How will that prime cause, you can say it Ishwar, or you can say it Allah, you can say it absolute God, etc., etc. You may give any name. Practically there are so many names, but they are same and similar, as Thakur said. Thakur once given a message in message number 2, message book 2, last messages, bow, follow, and be colored with the valorous beam of Ramachandra. He has explained Ramachandra, he has explained Hazrat Rasul, he has explained Sri Krishna, he has explained Ramakrishna Dev, he has explained Buddha Dev. Because, and he asked us to bow, to follow, and to be colored with them. Now our duty is to be colored with that expressed man who has come from infinity or the prime source. Now this thing I am telling you, as Sri Thakur said, but I have no conception. My conception is that, as because I am sitting before Sri Thakur, I see his face, I see his talking, I see his infinite power, I see his miraculous activities also. But he is simple. He is so simple. His childlike simplicity is there. He has done everything. He says, I don't know what I know. He says, I don't know what I don't know. Mahamurkho, the great foolish, and the great wise. What not? The great cause. This is my realization about Sri Thakur. my personal thing. I don't like to impress it upon you all. But Dr. Alexis Carrel also said, among the multitude of men, there are, however, some completely developed men who are the center and creator of the universe.
Nobel laureate Alexis Carrel.
Yes, Dr. Alexis Carrel said, I have gone to this man the unknown.
The name of the book is Man the Unknown. Can you tell the quotation again?
Among the multitude of men, मानी वर्ल्ड का बहुत आदमी है 600 crores or more than. Among the multitude of men, there are, however, some completely developed men.
Right.
That completely developed man, that is the energy, that is the supreme cause, who manifested as a blood and flesh, as a prophet, as a man, I can tell you. Among the multitude of men, there are, however, some completely developed men. कखनो कखनो आविर्भूत हुए थाकेन कभी कभी आ जाता है completely developed पूर्ण मानव. They are the center and creator of the universe. जो ब्रह्मांड आप देखता है, they are the center, तारा केंद्र and creator, Srashta. This Srashta is nothing but the supreme cause. This Srashta, this creator, is nothing but stimulus. This creator is nothing but manifested as man and flesh and blood as man. This is the version of Dr. Alexis Carrel, philosopher. Another version is there, Bernard Shaw. He has also said, in this humanity, there are some men whom we call as a solved man. Solved man means they can solve any problem, any question, anything you ask him. You ask me why the air was created. I shall not be able to answer. But I shall stop after going something. Why there are stars, suns, and Brahmanda is why. I shall not be able. But Bernard Shaw said, there sometimes come some solved men, সমাধানী পুরুষ, যারা সমাধান করতে পারেন। শ্রী ঠাকুরের কাছে, in before Sri Thakur, there is no question unsolved. He is a solved man. He is a completely developed man. He is a finite energy. He is the infinite source of prime creation. Thakur just said also, from prime cause to primordial body has come. Primordial body is a model. It was modeled. And we say, it is also theoretically, we say ekomeva dvitiyam. We say ekam bhusam. I shall not be able to explain all these things to you. This is big book theory, etc. will come. But I say this, that there are some completely developed men who has come there.
So you told Avyakta is there. This is the non-physical form.
Yeah.
If I summarize, Avyakta means non-physical form, and that stimulus is spread throughout the universe. And sometimes that stimulus takes a shape of human being, 100% copy, I will tell. Okay, 100% copy, which we could not express. We are not 100% copy. Maybe 2% within you, 3% within Ram, 4% within Rohim. So within him, lot of characters are there of that stimulus, which is already pervading within the universe. And what is the character of that stimulus? Thakur once told, I understand the definition of Ishwar, if you can throw light about that. You told solved person, okay, but in the form of stimulus, energy, where is the solution, Baba? So stimulus is stimulus, energy. Where is the solution? Where is the intellect? Where is the childlike simplicity? These are not there in the stimulus.
This question is unanswered.
Yeah.
And nobody will be able to give answer to this question. The answer is question. The answer of the question is this: that there was existence. Existence was prevailed, from unknown years. ছিল না সত্তা যখন ছিল। This existence or this energy is a stimulus, Thakur has said to us. And also he has said, ether is also a kind of stimulus. As there is ether, the sun can give the rays of the sun comes here. You can make a telephone, mobile phone, from this here to Bombay, it is due to ether. Sometimes Thakur says that ether is also God. The stimulus and ether practically are the same
Thakur
thing.
told ether is God.
Ether.
And ether is spread throughout the universe.
He is breaking hydrogen, he is breaking helium, he is creating everything.
So what is
in
going
the
on in the universe? All are happening within ether.
Oh, the universe.
We call space.
We call that
Space
ether, and
or
that ether and
vacuum.
stimulus are
Yeah.
the same thing. As Thakurji has said to us.
That is holding the universe completely.
I don't know.
That is holding and that is nurturing the universe.
It is infinite.
Yeah.
The universe is infinite. The ether is infinite. The stimulus is infinite.
But Thakur also told
When this infinite thing comes as flesh and body, as a man, we tell him as God or Allah or Ishwar. God means comes from Hudatu. He invokes everything. He calls all. He is the practically conglomeration of everything. From God, which has come from Hudatu, H-U, who mane avan kora, we call. So, practically, it is his Leela. We don't know it. You can know it, we don't know it, how he has come, how he becomes ether, how the bud blooms, how a baby comes after 10 months, how he goes there in the womb of a woman,
how the life is formed.
This is the stimulus. We take from mother, they take some. How? That is the strength is there, energy is there, something is there. This something is energy. This something is Paramokarunic. This something is stimulus. This something is ether. This something when embodied, I tell you again and again, as flesh and blood, is becomes God to us, is become man to us. But man who knows everything, how? He is pervading everywhere. How can Thakur say the past life of a man? How can Thakur say that you don't go there? If you go there, come in this time. They have not come, they have died.
But no scientific explanation of all this, Baba.
No, there is something. Thakurji says one thing to Hauser Manda. When there are some miracles Thakur had seen in his life, or Jesus has done many miracles to himself. There are many things between heaven and earth, Horatio, than a dreamt in your philosophy.
A quotation from Shakespeare.
ঠাকুর হাসতে লাগলেন আর বলেছিলেন, ঠাকুর হাসছেন আর বলছেন, there are many things between heaven and earth, Horatio, that are dreamt of in your philosophy, written by Shakespeare in his drama Hamlet. And another thing Thakurji also said, Napoleon Bonaparte was a very brave soldier. He is a great Senapati. Only for a nail, a kingdom is lost. ঘোড়ার পায়ে খুর ছিল না, টাইমলি খবর দেয়নি, যার জন্য যুদ্ধে পরাজয় হয়ে গেল। অনলি ফর এ নেইল, কিংডম ইজ লস্ট। কেন বললেন? আমার কথা তোমরা শুনলে না। ইউ আর নট হিয়ারিং মাই ওয়ার্ডস, দেয়ারফোর ইউ হ্যাভ লুজেন এভরিথিং। দ্যাট ইজ Thakurji is sure, as because he is the cause and effect of everything, he tells us, do this and this. He gives some rules, he gives some vidhan. commandments, that is, he is Vidhata. This is already, this word is like impractical and theoretical. But I can tell you one thing, one story. Once upon a time, a disciple of Jesus Christ, who are the followers of Christ? In order, Thakurji said, those who have Christ-like attributes, they are the Christians. Remember, what a beautiful thing Thakur has said. Those who have Christ-like attributes, Christ-er moto gunaguli jader ache, they are only Christian. Who are satsangi real? Those who have Sisi Anukul Chandra-like attributes, they are really satsangi. So, this Jesus Christ has said that one disciple, one of the humble disciples came to Jesus Christ and said, Prabhu, I have seen you. I have seen Jesus Christ, I have seen you. But you sometimes say about your father, but I have not seen your father. Who is your father? Then Jesus Christ said, you have not seen my father? No, I have not seen your father. Then you have also not seen me. I and my father is the one. Sisi Thakur Anukul Chandra also says, what he says? I am the foolish son of Parampita. This Parampita, Parama Paloita, stimulus ki kore? Parampita ki kore? Param Karunik what? Param Karunik what prime cause do? Sob kichu dharon palon koren. এই ধারণ পালন যিনি করেন এমনতর ব্যক্তিত্বওয়ালা পার্সোনিফাইড ম্যান, যিনি ধারণ করেন, পালন করেন, পোষণ করেন, এমনতর লোক যিনি পার্সোনিফাইড যদি কেউ হয়, তাকেই বলে ঈশ্বর। আর সেই ঈশ্বর প্রাপ্তি, ঈশ্বরকে জানা, ঈশ্বরকে বোঝা, ঈশ্বরকে রিয়েলাইজ করা, টু রিয়েলাইজ ঈশ্বর, টু অবজার্ভ ঈশ্বর, টু সি ঈশ্বর ইজ আওয়ার প্রাইম aim. Therefore, Thakurji has said, Moha Chetana Samutthana in a message. In a message, Thakurji said that there is Satta Satchidanandamoy, and last line he has said, Moha Chetana Samutthana.
That's the final goal of every human.
Final goal of every human being.
That is a supreme consciousness.
Ramakrishna also said, Tomader Chaitanya ho. বুদ্ধদেব বলছেন বুদ্ধং শরণং গচ্ছামি,
নির্বাণ
নির্বাণ। শ্রীকৃষ্ণ বলছেন নো মি, ইউ উইল নো এভরিথিং। সিমিলারলি ঠাকুর also said that মহাচেতন সমুত্থান will be then and there you will feel it when you are following my dictum with love for me. You can follow my dictum, only rules, that will not do. You must love that cause, love that embodiment of cause, love that supreme man who has embodied as supreme personality, supreme energy, who has come as embodied as flesh and blood in a man. So, without love, you will not be able to follow the rules also. If you proceed something, you will be hazard, you will be whimsical, you will not find no path, because you have no love, you have no tie, you are not in tune with the Lord, with the beloved, with the supreme cause. Therefore, you must be attached to the supreme cause, you must be in tune with me, then, and you must follow the principles that I have dictated to you, then you will be able to know me and my father also. You will know me, my Bhakta, and you will know that everything is of Bhakta. This is the conclusion, as I think Thakur has said this. Keshtoda,
Before that one question, Baba.
Achha,
before that, Keshtora, I am coming. Before that one question.
You see how he is putting me question. Very difficult question.
Baba,
I
Baba.
don't know how far I am telling
Please.
you.
Thakur told many times that you love me. Okay. Also, Thakur has told, I have read in many quotations that Parampita will save you. So, Parampita will save you. How Parampita will save? Only I will be loving to Parampita. Parampita will save me.
Never.
Love means I will be worshipping, I will be giving bhoga, I will be giving garlands, I will be cleaning his Singhasana, I will be loving him. Parampita will save me.
Never Parampita can save you. Never, never, never. Parampita can save you. I shall tell one story regarding X-Men. You please remind me. Parampita can never save you from any danger. But he can. When he is able to save you, Parampita has said, you follow my commands. You plus actively do what I say to you. If you do properly, you will save. Working will save you. I am only can dictate you. Work in this way. Interpretation of the holy name, I can dictate you this and this, do in this way. Only giving a paisa, only giving a sagol boli, or giving a cloth to Kali, to Durga, it will not do anything. But your love for Durga, your love for Kali, your love for me, and if you are in tune with me, too lovable. A son, hey, you, Abhijanandana, you love your mother. This love, the husband loves his wife loves her husband. At the same time, I love ideal. I love Sri Sri Thakur. I am just astonished. I am just overwhelmed. I am enjoying seeing his Kando Karkhana. কুরুক্ষেত্র ধর্মক্ষেত্র এইসব দেখে মানুষ অবাক হয়ে যায় মানুষ সুতরাং if you have love then commandments will come to you and if you do accordingly you may be saved. This is the thing.
What is the significance of love here? You are telling the activities you do. Again you are telling love also. If I am doing the activity, fine.
Love with activity.
But why love is needed?
Love, if you used to love anybody, activity automatically comes. Without action, real love, there is no real love. I love Saraswati, I love Saraswati.
Yeah. So love is there.
That is not all. You must do for Saraswati. You must see her. You must fulfill her in all respects. Then love will come between you. Similarly, if I love Sri Sri Thakur, I must do for him. I must do according to the interest and establishment of my love Lord. Then he will tell you, money, there is brain cells in you. He does not tell. Your brain cell will so sharpen that you will be able to understand from yourself. Your sensitivity will tell you that this is the way, this is the way, this is the way, this is the.
This is the action of love.
This is the action of love.
Wonderful. Action of
and
love.
In this way one can save. Yeah. Not by Kali. No. That will not.
Love will accelerate the activity.
That will accelerate.
Correct? Love will accelerate the activity.
They would love Makali.
Yeah.
And he gives some food to Makali. Ma kha. Apne kheten. Rakan Makali, Ramkrishnadev was identified with Bhavatarini. Ramkrishnadev and Bhavatarini is one. ভাবের ব্যাপার ভালোবাসার ব্যাপার সারেন্ডারের ব্যাপার সুতরাং as you have said that only Durga Puja, only Kali Puja, only পাঠা বলি দেওয়া বা something other thing as you are doing, that would not do without love and love with action. এবং that must be sincere, that must come from within your heart. এবং how it will come from your heart? It is not an easy thing. Therefore, you need to be attached with that superior one, with that flesh and ফ্লেশ অ্যান্ড ব্লাড এমবডিড ওয়ান, জীবন্ত সদ্গুরু দরকার, লিভিং দরকার, লিভিং ম্যান দরকার, তার সাথে অ্যাটাচড, মাস্ট বি অ্যাটাচড উইথ দ্যাট, দেন দ্য লাভ উইল গ্রো অটোমেটিক্যালি ইফ ইউ ফলো হিম. Mechanically, first of all you follow, then it will come real, that really you are loving him. As there are many satsangis who really love, they can understand what to do or not to do. There are many devotees who are in peace because they love Sri Thakur from the very core of their heart. Love is everything. Love is the loaf, L-O-F, loaf. Love is the roti. Love is blood. Love is everything. Similarly, energy is everything, stimulus is everything, ether is everything. That flesh and blood man also is everything. He is a replica of that energy, of the stimulus, of the infinite power. This is, I think, so
to realize that infinite power is Mahachatana Samutthana.
Yes.
Supreme consciousness.
Supreme consciousness.
I know that supreme stimulus or supreme consciousness, that is Mahachatana Samutthana. That is Nirvan. So how to achieve that? In my life, can I realize it? And is there any scientific explanation of that?
Yes. Somebody is passing MSc, somebody become doctorate, someone become BA, someone become only matriculate. You have studied matriculation courses, you become a matriculate. Probashika pass. You have signed intermediate, sign. There are stages. There are so many stages. A person who has, in proceeding, he has interpretation of name, holy name, or love for the Lord, he has proceeded this much. One has another step, another step, another step. There is step also that is possible. Therefore, love load. He is a love load. The love also gradually grows. Shoti Sri ki kore? A real good wife, what he does? He follows. He becomes a monogyan, monobadini of her husband. Sutarang, if we become monogyan, monobadini, and if we become for him only, you are for the Lord and not for others. You are for the Lord, so for others. I am for the Lord. This intuition, this piercing thing, stimulating tiknotejon tatpurjo, this stimulating factor, this energetic urge, this pugnacious volitional urge or stimulus must be there. How you can grow it? How you can find it? Thakurji has given us guaranteed, I can tell you, সৎনাম মনন করো, সৎসঙ্গের আশ্রয় নাও, সদ্গুরু গ্রহণ করো. Accept a holy man, accept Sadguru, repeat his name and do for him, do for his Sangha, do for him. I tell you, you will be, তোমার সদ্গুরু গ্রহণ করো, তোমার উন্নতির জন্য ভাবতে হবে না. You are not think about progress. Similarly, as you have said, for nirvana, for supreme consciousness, you want to think, you think of only him. If you want to get only nirvana, supreme consciousness, I want to know, that will not do. It is an automatic factor. I have no realization, I don't know anything, but I like only. But what my Sri Thakur says, that is the Vedavakya, that is Sundar, that is Paramananda. If you repeat the holy name, as become a couple, become mixed together, husband and wife, there is enjoyment. But 1,000 times, 1,000 voltage times engagement is there. If you are attached with the Lord and repeat the holy name, you will get so much enjoyment. Thakurji has said in his book, Kam apashe, Stri Purushe, Jamon koro upobhog, ইষ্টের প্রতি প্রীতি জাগলে তার চেয়েও বেশি হয়, এরকম একটা ঠাকুরের বানিয়েছে. সুতরাং ওই নাম ধ্যানে যে কি আনন্দ আছে, তার চিন্তাতে কি আনন্দ আছে, মেডিটেশনে যে কি আনন্দ আছে, এবং তার জন্য অ্যাকশনে যে কি আনন্দ আছে, ইষ্ট লাগি কর্ম করা, সেই তো হলো পুণ্য ভরা. ঠাকুর বলে গেছেন, ইষ্ট মিনস মঙ্গল, ঠাকুর ইস মঙ্গল, স্টিমুলাস অলসো ইজ এ মঙ্গল, ইথার ইজ অলসো মঙ্গল. ওই মঙ্গলের জন্য, মঙ্গল যখন, আমরা তো মঙ্গলটা বুঝতে পারি না, ইট ইজ স্প্রেডিং এভরিওয়্যার, ওই মঙ্গল যখন কনসেন্ট্রেটেড হয়ে আসে তখন তার প্রতি অনুরাগ, তার প্রতি ভালোবাসা, তার প্রতি প্রেম হচ্ছে বড় জিনিস। সো হোয়েন কেষ্টদাস সেইজ টু শ্রী ঠাকুর, ঠাকুর, what I can do? He is infinite. What I can do?
What was the background? I understand this story is wonderful. What was the background, Baba? Keshtoda normally used to discuss lot of scientific matters with Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra, right?
That is another story also.
So please, if you can narrate it, we are having few minutes more time.
Keshtoda was a man. Practically in 20 days, 22 days or 24 days, day and night he has awakened and passed the MSc examination, MA examination in physics and got first gold medalist. That man was the assistant of C.V. Raman and he was acting as Raman's effect with C.V. Raman. But fortunately, by the will of God anyhow, he has got a book and read those lines, and Keshtoda was amazed. Who is that man who can tell like so prophetically? Keshtoda went to Babna. Then Keshtoda was a very genius man. I was the assistant of Krishna Bhasan Bhattacharya in his library. I have heard his voices. I have heard his deep knowledge. I have heard him to put questions to the Thakur in so many complicated cases. Keshtoda began to talk with Thakur about electron, proton, quanta. Thakur was giving those answers. Keshtoda has heard that Thakur was God. So Keshtoda directly said, Thakur was feeling pain in his back. Keshtoda said to Sri Thakur, you are a God, where is the pain? What are the symptoms of God? Is the pain, you are getting pain and you are suffering? Thakur then showed a tree, acacia tree, just in the Pabna, and there is a great scar there in the acacia tree. Thakurji said, Keshtoda, look at that tree. It's a very big tree, is it not? Yes, but there is a scar at a khato ache, but still it grows. I have my pain here, this sense is this. I have my pain here, you say that I am not God. But is yours really the answer of Sri Thakur? Yes, I am the God. Keshtoda said, you are not God because you are pain. How Thakur gave the example of a tree. How the tree grows with its scar. With my pain also I am growing. This is not the, Keshtoda said, this is not the exact answer of my question, but it was. Then Keshtoda,
that Srishti Tattva Prasanga, if you can.
Then Keshtoda said to Sri Thakur, Thakur, you are infinite, you are unknowable. Joto janbo, there is no end of knowing. What to do, Thakur? Can you tell me? Please tell me what I should do. Then Sri Thakur says to Keshtoda, you love me, you serve me,
surrender,
and you surrender upon me. To love, to surrender, and to serve. This is the thing you must do. And that is the enjoyment will come to you. The Nirvana will come to you. And you will be in tune with the me more and more. You will be able to know the supreme cause and everything. Enjoy. Enjoyment is there. We guru সংসার, ঘর বাড়ি গাড়ি ঘোড়া স্ত্রী পুত্র সব নিয়ে করে আনন্দের জন্য, তৃপ্তির জন্য লীলা খেলা, আবার চলে যাব, দুঃখ করব, কাঁদব। So you serve, you love, you surrender, everything will come to you, will come to you, oh my Lord, oh my Thakur, please bless me, please give me the igniting touch so that I can love you. I like to love you more and more. I like to do your actions. I like to love my wife. I used to love my children. I used to love my sons. I used to love my grandsons. Like this boy is a very naughty boy. Yeah, I like to love my grandson also. So please, God, bless me, bless us. I praise you. In Quran, there is a Ishwaran Name Allah. I praise you. I pray to you. Let God be with us. Let us have that God in this. Let us know God in this way. This is the thing. This is the answer to the question. What I understand, what I feel, I am saying to you.
Joy Guru Baba. I think you have also told me that to remind Eugene Expan certain incidences you want to tell, but due to your health, I know you are 90 plus. Okay, I am not telling at this moment to share that story because I think we are talking for more than 30-40 minutes. Okay, this will 1 hour really we are talking. This is not good for your health at this moment. Maybe in future discourse we will be taking up that issue. But to summarize what we have learned, that we have started the question, what is God? Who is God? God is really existing or not? Or to worship God, shall we fulfill our desire? If we want something from God, shall we get it or not? Yes. This was our primary questions, and what we know from the discussion, that God is nothing but stimulus, you told, energy, stimulus, supreme consciousness, which is really pervading throughout the universe probably, and that is also dharon paloni shambekshil bektitto, that will uphold, that will enhance the existence, and that will shambek, that means some urge is there, some urge is there, some motion is there, correct? So those are already in the universe, dharon palon shambekshil, to nurture, to uphold the existence, and to urge of grow, that is already there in the universe. And sometimes few personalities came 100% copy of that stimulus, okay, and in that personality also dharon palon shambekshil bektitto, that means I uphold, I nurture, I support the existence with some motion or urge towards the existence, stimulus, flower is blooming, so those characters are also flourished, this kind of personality. But really we could not answer the science behind that, how those kind of personalities, only very few which are coming from that stimulus, that you agreed, okay, we really don't know how this kind of, but you backed up with the logic of, or you backed up with the quotation from Bernard Shaw, you have given the quotation of Alexis Carrel, all the Nobel laureates you quoted, and you told that, okay, there are those personalities, told that this kind of personalities are being born in this world sometimes. They are the completely developed man, and probably our urge will be as a human being where God is partially expressed, because we are having also upholding personality, we are also nurturing, we are also growing. A flower is also blooming, so that means God is there, stimulus is there in one flower also. But we can, when we'll be in touch with this kind of personality, the magnet or the power station, when we'll be in tune doing those kind of completely developed man, I think with that connection will be also developed that God-like personality within us.
We will imbibe those things.
We will be imbibing those personalities, and probably we'll be realizing that supreme stimulus.
Stage by stage.
Stage by stages are there. So that's why our life has to be very, very stable. We should really balance our life. Our body has to be disease free. We have to maintain our body. We have to really maintain our family responsibility, our social responsibility. Everything has to be balanced. Otherwise, if I am frustrated in my life, I cannot think about Godhood. Okay, no. So life has to be balanced. Then journey and with probably stages are there. We have to meditate. We have to do Nam Dhan, and we have to have that eager wanting within me to achieve that Godhood. Okay, so with the act love, with completely developed man which you've experienced, and you have no doubt that Thakur Anukul Chandru is that kind of personality, because you have seen. I don't have that experience, Baba, truly speaking. I don't have the experience. You are having that experience, and you are my
but
father.
You can also know.
Yeah, you are telling me I can also know, but like you, it is very, very difficult for me. I understand.
No, it is
Yeah,
easy
but I
also
will
for
try
me to do.
definitely. Yeah, thank you so
If
much.
you do,
Yeah.
it is easy also for you.
Yes.
Easy for anybody.
Correct. So this is the way we can really achieve that supreme consciousness,
Yes.
and Godhood can come within us. God is nothing but an ideal. Idol is not God. Photo is not God. And by praying photo or idol, our desire will not be fulfilled. For that we need to do activities. And if we know how to do the activities by active love with that completely developed man or mentor of life, so definitely it will be much more easier. It will be easier. And lastly, you have told the story of Krishna Prasanna Bhattacharya. One day when Krishna Prasanna Bhattacharya was discussing about the creation of the universe and puzzled where to end, because Big Bang theory is there, okay, 1400 crores quanta is there, how the time has born. All these discussions were going on with Sri Thakur Anukul Chandra. Then Krishna Prasanna Bhattacharya asked Thakur that I am puzzled what to do. Then Thakur told, Joto janben toto jala, I have heard from you. Joto janben, so what is the way out? Then Thakur told, probably, you love me, you serve me, you surrender me. To love, to serve, to surrender. If I summarize our 1 hour discussion, that will be the summary. Am I correct, Baba?
Yes.
Please attestate me.
Yes,
I have no power. You have to attestate me.
Put so many questions to me.
Yeah. With that, probably we are ending today's discussion about God and how to achieve Godhood. Bande Purushottam. Joy Guru.
Bande Purushottam. Joy Guru.